DXDC Radyoman Report.
Gihulat na lang nga mahuman ang 8 ka ektaryang bag-ong Davao City Jail sa may Barangay Wangan, Kalinan, Davao City. Sumala ni Jail Captain Edo Lubinia, Bureau of Jail and Management Penology kung BJMP11 spokesperson, makabot na ang zero congestion rate kung mabalhin na gyud ang mga persons deprived of liberty sa Davao City Jail sa may maaning syudad.
Operationalize na yung ating Davao City Jail main sa Wangan, we will have a zero congestion rate in Davao City. Kasi sa female jail, we also have a zero congestion rate. Sa Samal jail, we also have zero congestion rate. So these are the efforts actually of collective effort of the BJMP and of course the national government. Kasi gusto namin na magkaroon tayo ng humane jails na wherein rehabilitation could really thrive, and at the same time, they will have an enabling environment, especially pag mag-conduct tayo ng mga skills enhancement training. Kasama natin dito yung other sectors, especially yung TESDA and of course yung Department of Education pertaining to alternative learning system education.
Sa datos sa BJMP11, nasa 4,297 ka mga PDLs ang naakaron sa Davao City Jail. Kayang makaakomodar og 5,000 inmates ang bagong tukod nga jail sa may Barangay Wangan. Kasama mo sa balita, Radyoman Aimee Ginita, Tatak RMN.
RMN News, Diretso Balitang Metro Davao.